Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you the prediction of your 2025 IELTS exam. So this exam going to happen on 13th September. So this is a prediction for the students who is going to appear on 13th September 2025 IELTS exam. And in this video you can expect your question types, difficulty levels, and also predicted topics what you can expect in your upcoming IELTS exam. If you have any question, any concerns, you can also send me the text message. I will definitely respond you back on that. And if you also have any question or any kind of queries, you can also send me an email on getsuccess66 at the rate gmail.com. So and please don't forget to subscribe our channel, because after subscription you can have the opportunity to do free speaking with us. And we are also preparing the students for the speaking section, speaking your part 2 cue cards. And if you are looking for the job, then we are also preparing the students for the job interviews. And if you are really new on this channel, please share this video with your friends who is going to appear in IELTS exam, and they are struggling for the English speaking also, because we are here to help the community. We are here to free of cost help you out to learn English, to speak English confidently. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel and also share this video with your friends who is going to appear in IELTS exam. And now let's get started. But before that, I'll just let you know that in today's video we will cover the we were going to give you the prediction for your listening, reading, and writing section. In today's video, I'm not including the speaking section because I did not get the exact information or the sure information about what you can expect in your speaking exam. First section I can let you know, but the second cue card side I need some sure information which I'm working on. Definitely I will upload that video within 1 or 2 days when I get the sure information about it. But again, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you have any question, any concerns, I'm here to help you out for that. Now let's get started. So prediction, what you can expect in here. So test type, both academic and general training students, we are discussing their test type here. And the format I so available in both paper based and computer delivered format, because computer delivered exam is every day available with every other hours. And sections, listening, reading, and writing sections, we will consider that. And this exam is conducted on the same day. And for your speaking, so speaking, maybe you need to schedule within 7 days before and after when you schedule your test date. So after scheduling your test date, you need to book your speaking slot also. That slot you can have that in before the exam, before seven within 7 days, and after within 7 days. So now moving forward to the listening, all the candidates, the structure is four parts with increasing difficulty level. So very first is a conversation in the social context and a monologues on the general topics, conversation in an academic or training context, and academic lectures or monologues. Next is conversation, booking services, making inquiries. So these all are the expected topics you can expect that in your upcoming IELTS exam for general training students and academic students. So please prepare your exam, prepare um, all your material. If you have these type of conversation in your Cambridge books or on online material, or if you are going to the centers, then text them, ask them. They can provide you the material on these topics: conversation on the social context and monologues on a general topics, conversation in an academic or training context, and then academic lecture or monologues. And the second part of the conversation is booking service or making inquiries. All right, so listening exam question type. If we talk about the question type, that is again same for the both side. So multiple choice question answers and matching, plan, map, diagram, and labeling, and form note, table, flowchart, and summary completion, sentence completion. And number six type is short answers from the question. Whatever question they will ask you, you need to provide the answer in 2 to 3 lines. So these six type of question you can have it in your IELTS exam. So students, you are not getting, or you are thinking that your exam or your question type is every time is the same. No, there is a slightly change in there. If you notice, if you observe my previous videos, every time if you see the question type, why I'm discussing that in every video, because question type is also changed. So how they changed it, the type should be the same, but again the material is not. Sometimes they will give you the map, you need to label that on. For example, they will give you the form, you need to fill that. They will give you the labels or the labeling thing, you need to uh, arrange all the labels. So they can give you the note, you need to put that according to the map. And they can provide you the flow chart, you need to match with the directions. So these type of, this is how they can also give you. So plan, map, diagram, how they are different with each others. Plan, when they give you the plan, you need to work on to create the plan. So they will give you the situation, you need to create the plan and the map, how can you reach A point to B point. So you need to make a plan, and then you need to also create a map also for that. And the third type is a diagram labeling. So they will provide you the diagram, you need to label that. So this is how they will. And the matching side, they will give you the word to word matching, A to B matching, and numbers matching, or Romans matching. This is how they change this type. And multiple choice question answers, they will give you this, the multiple choice question answer A B C D option wise also, 1 2 3 option wise also. And also they will not give you any kind of options, they will give you whether you will fill up, you will fill this or this, then you need to fill the word in that given fill up. So this is how they will always ask you the question in your IELTS exam. So listening side, now listening, you need to context. So what type of books you can, what type of material you can expect in there. Very first is booking services, academic discussion, lecture on environmental science or history. So accent, please, 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 many students they lose their marks because of the accents. So please explore a variety of English accents, like including British English, American English, Australian English, and Canadian English, because these different paces of English creates the problem, because their tongue twisting type is completely different. So sometimes they are confused with the dates, with the formation of dates. Sometimes they are not understanding the acronyms when they use the small terms of like can. They can say can, but it's can't means when they say T sound, then it's small the CANT, can means short. So this is how students confuse. So this is one thing which you definitely need to aware about that ahead of time, and keep in your mind to prepare all the accents for before going to your actual IELTS exam. So preparation tip: engage with the sample test to familiarize yourself with the question formats. Enhance your vocabulary. Read wide variety to build a robust vocabulary, especially on common IELTS topic, because whether they are the speaking topics, whether they are reading or listening topics, because everything whatever you learn with the vocabulary side, it will definitely go to your writing side also. All right, so moving forward to the reading exam. But before that, if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel, because here you can get the opportunity to do free speaking with us. Okay, so now reading question type for all academic and general training students. Very first is multiple choice questions. Number two is identifying the information in the form of true, false, or not given, and identifying the writer's views in form of or claims, form of yes, no, or not given type, and matching information uh, in the form of headings, features, and sentence and endings. So, and then fifth type is sentence completion. They will give you one or two, and then you need to complete the whole sentence. And number six is summary. note, table, flowchart completion. So these all are the types. And number 7 is diagram labeling completion, and then short answers from the questions. So these are the types you can expect that in your upcoming IELTS exam. And the next is academic modules. Also, please prepare 3 long texts from the books, journals, articles, or scientific research, technology advancement, or historical events. So these are the really important things for the academic modules, academic students, and for journal training students. Please extract from books, magazines, newspapers, notices, advertisements, company handbooks and guidelines, instructions manuals, or workplace communications. So these all are the important material for you to go over before your IELTS exam, because you have enough time now. So you can go over all these before your IELTS exam so that you can get good marks in there. All right, so academic modules, you also need to work on the task 1, which is describing the visual information, example like graph, chart, tables. So please prepare your graph, chart, and tables. And part 2 is respond to a point of view, like in the way of arguments or problems. So this is the second task for you to prepare on. So please, whatever material you are preparing from, find the material where you can have all this type of information or paragraphs. You need to provide the answers in this way. So this will give you a little bit more practice and also confidence, so that you can, whenever you can appear in your final exam, you can get the good marks in there. All right, if you are new on this channel, so please don't forget to subscribe this channel. And in today's video we are discussing about the 13th September 2025 IELTS exam prediction for all general training students and academic students. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel, because here you can get the opportunity to do free speaking with us, and also you can have that opportunity to if you have any question concerns to discuss with us. Okay. And now next is our writing module. So writing for the general training students, so please prepare a write a letter to requesting the information or explaining a situation to your landlord, to the supervisor, to the head of the department, to, so this is kind of formal letter. And write an essay in response to a point of view for argument or problems. So they will give you the situation, and on that basis, on that situation, you need to provide your arguments or the problems, what the problem you faced, and arguments on the other hand. So the topic you can expect for education and technology is a main important topic, and this is the, I can say it's very important topic. Online education is becoming more popular. Is it as effective as traditional classroom learning? And another is very important topic is question is, some people believes that formal education should start for children as early as possible, while other things it should not start until 7 years age. Discuss both view and give your own opinion. So this is the second type which you definitely need to check and work on it. And nowadays for health and lifestyle, so please keep in your mind these all are the topics. Essay topics are equally important for all general training students and academic students. Please before your IELTS exam, prepare these topics with good vocabulary, good paraphrases, good cross questions. Now in these days, many people have an unhealthy diet and do not exercise regularly. What are the reasons behind this trend? How can you encourage these people to live a healthy lifestyle? So, this is health and lifestyle under that section. Now, next is the environment and sustainability. So, important question you can need to prepare here is The population of the world is growing, so the demand for the food is rising. Using land to grow the vegetables is more efficient and better for the environment than using it for animals to produce meat. To what extent do you guys agree or disagree? So this is the essay type, which is agree and disagree, and the environment and sustainability. So according to this, you can have the another similar essays. If you want, I can provide you all the important essay material list. So this is one of the very very important essay which we can expect in this IELTS exam. Society and culture. So this is another important topic here. Some people believe that after the child begins his or her schooling, their teachers will have more influence than their parents. To what extent do you agree or disagree? It's very important. Please go ahead, prepare this before your IELTS exam. And the last is consumer behavior. That is, these days people in some countries are living in throwaway society, which means the people use things in short time then throw them away. What are the causes and what effects can this have for the environment, for the people, for the individual, for all the human being or on the earth? So there's different aspects. Please prepare this accordingly. So if the question is having this type of question, you can get it in your IELTS exam, how you can vast variety of your answer to prepare on that. If you need my help, please write down in the comment section. I'm always open to help you out. But again, if you will not let me know, then I cannot help that. So as essay type to expect more in there. The IELTS writing task 2 may present various essay types, including IELTS Advantage. I'll so these are the different. You can also have these materials from these different um, mit- sites. Opinion and disagree is also one of the type where you can have that information discussion exploring and your point of view, problem solution, identify the remedies, advantage and disadvantage, weighing the pros and cons, and direct questions is responding to the specific area, right? So next is the preparation tips. So here is tips, some of the tips which students always ask me on my center also and here also. Familiarize with the essay structures. Understand the format and requirement of each essay type. Practice regularly. Write essay on various topics to enhance your coherence and cohesions. Expand vocabulary. Learn topic specific terms to articulate ideas effectively. Seek the feedback. Have your essay reviewed by the teachers, by us, by your buddies. So because in that way you can have the opportunity to improvement, okay? And this is all about I have it for your 13 September 2025 IELTS exam. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and please share this video with your friends so that they can also get the advantage from this video and um, from this prediction. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next prediction that will be again for the academic students. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care and see you in the next time. Bye.